Today we have an essential topic for job seekers in Canada. If you are looking to land a job in Canada, you are in the right place, because in today's video we are going to dive into a very crucial topic, which is creating an ATS-friendly resume. ATS or application tracking system plays a significant role in the hiring process, and I'll guide you through the process of crafting an ATS-friendly resume, which will increase your chances of getting a job in Canada. So if you are ready to learn some tips and tricks, make sure to stick around until the end of the video. Hello everyone, my name is Singh and welcome back to my channel, where we discuss jobs, career, life and business in Canada. If you are interested in any of these topics, make sure to subscribe to the channel. So before diving into the details of the ATS friendly resume, let's first understand quickly what ATS is. ATS stands for Application Tracking System, which is used by many employers to filter and manage job applications. This system scans resumes for keywords, skills, qualification that matches with the job description. If your resume don't have these, this electronic gatekeeper would not even let a hiring manager see your resume. A study suggested that over 75% of qualified candidates do not get past this ATS system. So now you know why it's important to understand this, so let's dive into this further. Here are some key elements of ATS friendly resume that you need to keep in mind. First of all, clean formatting. ATS prefer resumes with simple and clean formatting. Avoid any kind of fancy fonts, coloring or excessive styling. Stick to a clear and professional fonts like Calibri, Arial or Times New Roman. And do not use any kind of tables or columns in the resume. Now the second point, section headings. Use those standards and traditional section headings like summary, experience, skills or education, because it makes it easier for an ATS to parse that information. Now the third point, keywords. Keywords are crucial. You need to study the job description carefully and incorporate those keywords from the job description into the resume. This tool here can help you check the important keywords in the job description. I'll leave a link of this website in the description below. Now this doesn't mean to stuff the resume with all the keywords, but to naturally integrate them. And the fourth point is to use the bullet points and the short sentences. ATS system prefer clear, concise and easily scannable content. So use bullet points to highlight your achievements and responsibilities. So now let's build that ATS friendly resume. So on the top of the resume, you need to place your name, your phone number and your email address. And if you have a LinkedIn profile, which you should, make sure to add it over here. And you do not need to add that marital status, your date of birth and those kind of personal information. We don't need it here on the resume. And right below that contact information, there will be your summary, or sometimes referred to as objective. So your summary or objective section of your resume is your elevator pitch. Highlight your key skills, experience and what you can bring to the table. Make sure to add one of the keywords of the job title that you're applying to into the summary section. For example, if the job is about software development, your summary should have either software or development or both in the summary section. Like you can add an experienced software developer with over 5 years of experience in the full stack development, something like that. Now once you're done with the summary, it's time to add work experience. List your work experience in reverse chronological order. For each position, include your job title, company name, dates of employment, and a concise description of your responsibilities and your achievements. When listing your work experience, focus on achievements rather than just duties. As I told you earlier that you need to add bullet points here, start each bullet point with a strong action verb and quantify your accomplishments wherever possible. For example, led the implementation team of a new software which reduced the cost by 40% or 30%, or created a Facebook ad that brings over 15% or 20% more revenue than the last quarter, something like that. You get the idea, right? Now after adding all the work experience, it's time for your education. Your educational background and certifications matters a lot. Make sure to include the highest level of study that you have done at the top and add the certifications that are relevant to the job that you're applying to. Now it's time to add your skills. Highlight all the relevant skills to the job, whether they are technical or soft skills. If possible, use the keywords from the job description to highlight your skills. But if you don't possess a skill, don't lie about it. At the end of the resume, if you have some additional information that you want to share, you can optionally add it here, like certifications, languages, or any volunteer experience that you have that is relevant to the job. You can add it here. Also, you can interchange two sections here, skills with the work experience, but make sure when you're adding skills on the top right after the summary, make sure to add experience right after the skills. So at one side it will be your contact information, your summary, your work experience or education and skills, and on the other side there will be your contact information, your summary, your skills, your work experience and your education. So you can use either one of the format. So now your resume is ready. Here are some final tips that you need to keep in mind. Believe it or not, but you need to tailor the resume for each job application. You need to adjust the keywords and emphasize more on the relevant experience as per the job description. Now I'm not saying that you need to lie about your experiences, but there are some synonyms that are used interchangeably. So make sure to check the job description and check which kind of words and which kind of synonyms that you have used in the resume and change it and integrate it naturally. The other thing is to save the resume in a PDF format. PDF file ensures that the formatting of the resume will be consistent across different devices. So make sure after completing the resume, you are saving it as a PDF. Spelling out acronyms. Look, you might be an expert in your field, but the ATS system is not. So make sure to spell out all the industry specific acronyms so that the ATM system could understand it. This will make your resume more comprehensible. And lastly, spellings and grammatical errors can harm your chances of getting a job. So make sure to proofread the resume after completing it. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide of creating an ATS-friendly resume. Remember, an ATS-friendly resume not increase your chances of getting noticed by the recruiters, but it also highlight you as a strong candidate. If you have any additional questions about the resume or ATS system, you can drop them below in the comment section and I'll try to answer them. And if you found this video helpful, make sure to give us a thumbs up and make sure to subscribe to the channel for more job related content. Thanks for watching this video and best of luck for your job search in Canada, and I'll see you next time.